let's have a look at this. One fine morning, Jack and Jill took a boating trip on the Hudson River. They started rowing up the stream in a boat that had a still water speed of 30 meters per second. Just 40 seconds into the trip, Jack thought of giving a letter to Jill that his friend Joey had given him. But as he was taking the letter out of the bag, the letter dropped into the river and started flowing down the stream, okay, at the speed of the river. Luckily, Joey, who was chasing Jill and Jack in a boat that had a still water speed of 50 meters per second, picked up the letter 20 seconds after it fell into the water and gave it back to Jack. How many seconds after dropping the letter will Jack receive? Okay. We have the speed of the river at 5 meters per second. So what is happening is, forget just 40 seconds into a trip, we'll come back to all of that. The point is, after he dropped the letter, so Jack dropped the letter, dropped and started flowing. Luckily, Joey was chasing Jack and had a speed 50 meters per second, picked up the letter in 20 seconds. So 20 seconds the letter was going downstream at 5 meters per second. So 100 meters is what the letter had traveled when Joey picked it up. Correct? So when Joey picked it up, okay, then the boat in which Jack and Jill are and the boat in which Joey are, okay, this has gone 100 meter, the letter, and Jack and Jill have also gone forward. Jack and Jill have also gone forward in those 20 seconds. They have a speed of still water at 30 meters per second going they are going upstream, so minus 5, so that means 25 meters per second. So in these 20 seconds they have also traveled 500 meters. So one boat, another boat, distance between these two boats when the letter was picked up by Joey is 100 plus 500, which is 600 meters. Distance is 600 meters. Okay. Now look at Joey. Joey is traveling at 50 meters per second. Okay. So net his speed, if I'm looking at okay, what is the question? How many seconds after dropping will it, okay, so net his speed, if I'm looking at, he is net traveling at 45 meters per second. Is that correct? He is net traveling at 45 meters per second. Correct? So let's once again have a look at this. He is traveling at 45 meters per second. What are they traveling at? What are the others traveling at? Who are Jack and Jill? They are traveling at 25 meters per second. So the difference predominantly is 20 meters per second. Correct? Am I clear? That's what it is. So let's once again see where we are. One fine morning, Jack and Jill Hudson, they started rowing upstream. The boat had a speed of still water at 30 meters per second. Just 40 seconds into it, Jack thought of giving a letter to Jill that Joey had given him. As he was taking out the letter dropped into the river, started flowing at the stream. Luckily, Joey, who was chasing, picked it up after 20 seconds. So in this 20 seconds, the letter has moved 5 meters per second. We know that for sure. So the letter, so this is the spot at which it dropped. Say this is the spot. Letter has moved 100 meters. Okay, for these 20 seconds. For these 20 seconds, these guys were moving at 25 meters per second. They have also gone ahead. In these 20 seconds, they have gone ahead 500 meters. So the total distance now, where Joey is and where these guys is, the total difference between the distances, the total difference between the distance is 600 meters. We're very clear about that. Joey's speed in still water is 50 meters per second. So Joey's speed going upstream is 50 minus 5, which is 45 meters per second. Jack and Jill going up is 25 meters. So the difference between them is 20 meters per second. So 600 meters, the difference in the speed is 20 meters per second. How long will it take? So I've explained it now. It is going to take 30 seconds. Difference is 600 meters. Difference in speed is 20 meters per second. So 30 seconds. The question is, how many seconds after dropping the letter will Jack receive it again? It has already been 20 seconds since Jack dropped the letter, right? And 30 seconds more. So 20 plus 30, which means 50 seconds is predominantly what it is going to take. As simple as that. Clear? Cool? Lovely. So the answer is 50. Perfect.